Here's a closer look at this pendant light that was sent for my feedback. So this one has a really nice mix of wood and metal. It definitely gives that farmhouse feel. It's simple but still stands out just enough to add some character. Installation is pretty straightforward. It comes with everything you need, and it works with standard E26 bulbs, so you can use Edison, LED, whatever fits your style. Just keep in mind the bulb is not included. You can also install it on flat or sloped ceilings, which makes it pretty versatile. I think it would look great over a kitchen island, but also in a hallway, bedroom, or even over a small dining space. One thing I noticed right away is how the light is distributed. It's more centered and focused compared to some fixtures where the light kind of disappears or feels too dim. This one really brightens up the whole island area, which I like, especially for cooking or just having the space feel more open. The quality feels solid too. It's made from iron and natural wood, and you can tell it's not flimsy. It has a nice weight to it and feels like it'll hold up over time. Overall, I very much like this upgrade. It's simple, but it makes a difference.